case today.
Yeah, my question, where my questions are going to come from. So we're in the midst of trying to transfer over Laura's other account with Go High Level.
Right.
And I know that Frank, Jack has been falling a bit behind. He's the other fellow who used to score us on the other account. Unfortunately, he's been feeling a little under the weather, so it's been delayed a little bit. But we've got some assurances that things are going to be coming over okay. The challenge has been around the WordPress sites that we're trying to get across, because when we do a transfer of accounts through Go High Level, it doesn't take into account the WordPress sites you might have. And I wasn't able to get it transferred into Go High Level Speak, so to speak, and or into the forums in time. But Jack's has done this before, so he's on his way to do it. It's just taking his real sweet time. Having said that, I understand, and you can confirm this, maybe, Noelle. I'm sure you've done this a few times, bring people's accounts in. Have you a few times?
We've done it a couple times.
Yeah. So it's almost like an instant thing. So when you have something that's actually built in Go High Level, if you bring another account into it, it's there,
Yeah.
right? I think the thing we need to be careful about more than anything is anything that may be sort of quote unquote duplicated but not active on the old account. Maybe so like some calendars and things like that. So
It'll look exactly like you have it over there.
okay, okay. So I just want to make sure that we're on the same page with that. I just don't need
Yeah.
any extra surprises this week. It's been quite
No, we'll just have to
the joy
connect a
ride.
couple things, I think. So
Yeah,
I think it'll be easy peasy.
I mean
And
like
welcome, Jim.
you
So
mean
is
like
Jim talking about doing a funnel where the sign up information is transferring? Is that
No,
it's
see,
all
they
about
have an account that they've had before, and they're just moving it over to a Chief
uh,
Check. So the
okay?
whole account's moving.
yeah, it's
Mm.
still the same platform. It's Go High Level.
Yeah, it's the same
And
platform.
yeah, I know. Just this little experience. I highly recommend anyone that's bringing in a site or building a site, do it in native Go High Level tools. It is so robust. It's got everything. It's everything. It's one stop shop. It's everything. Do invoicing, you do, you just do everything with it. So, I mean, it's a great environment. I've just been blown away. The more I get into it, the more I dig into it, the better I find it. So it's a great place to be.